Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up a simple but powerful workflow. First, we're going to learn about a trigger of receiving a new email matching a certain search term in Gmail. Then we're going to extract information from that email and set up an action of creating a new row in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Okay, so we're going to start here on our workload editor. And we're going to build our workflow with a trigger in Gmail. And the event is going to be new email matching a search. Continue. We're going to choose our Gmail account. And now this is where you're going to decide what it is that you want to categorize your email by. So for example, you can be grouping emails by who they're from, or in this case, I'm going to use a subject of test. So this trigger is only going to find emails that have the subject of test. And we will test that trigger to see if it's working. So here we go. We got an email with the subject of test. And we look through all these different results. All of the subjects have the word test in them. Okay? So we're going to hit continue. And now you see, once I hit continue, this little dot in the upper corner of our trigger has turned green. So the setup of that is complete. So now for our action, once we have an email that has the subject of test, we're going to go into Google Sheets and we're going to create a spreadsheet row. So in this instance, you have to have already created a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So I have a spreadsheet here called Workload Test, and it has a few different categories of the information that we want imported into the spreadsheet. So for here, we're going to select that spreadsheet. So the name is Workload Test. Select the worksheet. And then in the row data, we're going to click the Add To button. And then select the columns for the different information we want to import. So for email, we're going to find the email address of who sent the email. So we're going to click inside of the data box. And we're going to scroll down to the new email matching a search in Google Gmail and click inside of there and find the email address of the sender. And then we're going to add another column for the date. And we're going to click inside the box again and select the date. Add another column for the subject of the email. We'll pull that information as well. And then we're going to add one last row for the content of the message. Here's a pretend email. Okay, so then we're going to continue. And that's all the information that we want into our Google spreadsheet. So we're going to test the action. We're going to see that the information has been sent, and we're going to click continue. So now you see that dot has turned green as well. We can look over at our spreadsheet, and now, boom, that new information was just imported because our trigger found that email and then added it to our sheet. So once we've tested all the components of our workflow and we see that the dot has turned green, then we can activate our workflow. And now, anytime you receive a new email with the subject of test, it will automatically import that information into your Google Sheet. So that's how you can use Workload to automate a connection between Gmail and Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe this video to receive more content from Workload on how to make your business practices run more smoothly. See you next time.